Hello investors, today we look at the dollar flow, the money going into a stock, a specific stock. Usually very useful to see the power of the trend or the start of the trend. So listen up. Hello investors, so again, as mentioned, we are looking at the dollar flow today. So the dollar flow is a brand new widget that you can find on EPSMomentum. You can just click on that little icon here, dollar flow. You have an immediate tag that shows you if it's a strong or weak dollar flow. In this case, we're looking at Micron. It's very strong. And we can see the dollar flow value, the change 5-day, 1 day, and the slope 10 days. So in green, you see the dollar flow going up, and in yellow, the stock price. You see how the stock price has been rallying, and the green as well, pretty strong. But the dollar flow usually gives you the power or how much dollar is flowing into a specific stock. It takes the value traded and the standard deviation of that every single day, and affects some coefficient depending on whether the price move for the day is negative or not. And so it's smoothed over a couple of days, but it gives you a pretty good idea of when money is flowing in. So see that huge spike here pushing the price up, another huge spike here, really contributing to the trend or confirming the trend, and see how here it's going down but then push back up. So everything above zero is considered to be really abnormal in a positive way. Anything below zero is showing you weakness in the flow. So see how this is pushed up here, price rallies up to a top. There's a little bit of a blip here, but then after that it goes really south and the trend goes down. So the money flow is really telling you that it's actually leaving the stock, and it's leaving the stock all the way to here and then rallying back in there. So again, a spike here and then goes back up. So if let's take another stock, for example, GM. So here we can see a huge flow of money there pushing the price up, right? And then eventually drying up, a little bit of positive here, but then really drying up in April. You see the trend going down in price, a little bit more spiky there, pushing the trend up, and then price down and dollar flow drying up, and really some downtrend and negative days here. Really money leaving the stock, and then big rally there, price is getting pushed up, big money flow in there, big dollar flow there as well, so it shoots up right there. So it's pretty interesting. Same if we stay in the automotive industry, big money flow in Ford, price rally shoots up, then the money flow dries up and the trend plateaus here in that region. Money flow shoots up again, huge trend, and then recedes, and then the trend as well recedes. Then money flow is pushed up tremendously with the stock. So it's really a great indicator. So the next question is, how can I search for or screen for stocks that have a very strong money flow? Very simply, you go into the screener here at the bottom, you look for price statistics, and then you look for money flow, the actual flag, so you can see weak or strong, right? And then all the actual value, money flow, you can have the value a little bit lower than zero, above zero. Above zero is considered to be strong. Or the 5-day change, the 1-day change, and the 10-day slope. So the slope is really the coefficient of the slope of the curve of the money flow. So it's over 10 days. So we take the last 10 points, and we tell you if it's heading positively or not. So if you have a very highly positive value, and then you would click on a name, ABMD, what you would get is a very positive 10-day money flows here. It shoots up, it's really high up, and then the stock is really having some positive day So it's really a super good indicator of where money is flowing into the value, into the stock or not. Again, really useful analytics. I hope you enjoyed it, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.